Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys, that is MNC's company's HR email IDs. With the help of these, you can send them cold email and inquire about any job opportunities or any internship opportunities. So if you're watching this video first time, uh, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the bell icon because we share regular placement related resources. Like previously I have shared coding questions of TCS Code Vita, NQT, Cognizant, Accenture, and I will share for more companies. I have also shared 30 plus companies placement material, TCS, Wipro, Accenture, many more aptitude material, uh, CS fundamental placement material like notes and interview question, DSN, C++, Java, and many more. I have also shared many startup list of different locations. Go check it out. Free DSM material, 100% remote hiring startup list, ATS-friendly resume template, cover letter, cold email. You will get all the things for free. Okay, the link will be in the description of these videos. If you need any particular resource, do comment on the video. I'll try to share it with you guys. Coming back to our this video, in today's video I'll be sharing companies HR email IDs. It contains at least 2000 plus, like it's actually it's 2600, but yeah, many of the HR email IDs may be invalid because with time HRs also switch the company, so their email ID is invalid. So for that I have attached a tool where you can verify which of the email ID is working or not. So after verifying, you can send them cold email. Yeah, before sending, I have attached a resource like ATS friendly resume template and cold email. Go check it out. So once you have a cold email, check which company you are sending cold email, or which recruiter. Research about the company and generate a compelling cold email like why you want to work for their company and how you can be the good fit. You have to inquire. Don't just copy paste from chat gpt or and a template only. You have to customize it according to your skills, according to the requirement. Okay, so yeah, before sending any of the recruiter, you have to verify it first, because with time it gets invalid or not working. So yeah, this one is working. Like this, you have to verify before sending to them. Okay, and do not send with mass, like you have generated one cold email and you are sending to everyone. No, for every company it can be different based on the company work, what they do. Regarding that, you have to generate a cold email. Okay, I have just provided the for example, like this we have companies. So these are companies: careers dot Cork, Noida, HCLT. So these are companies you must be hearing first time. You have to visit and verify like if this is working, because with time email IDs changes. Like where where we have, yeah, this one is expired, so I'll remove it from, because uh, I'll check which is not working slowly because it's a huge amount of data. But for you, you have to verify. There are many like which are all working. I have checked it. Try to check from middle or from bottom, because many of you who will be getting this seat, they will try to just check from the beginning, so they will having a mini cold email. So to avoid that, check in the middle or in the bottom, so that you will be the first to sending the cold email to them, so that they can consider. Because if people is spam, they will avoid it. So like this one is working. Like I have checked in the middle. Let's check more in the middle. I hope it's working. If not, then don't worry, I'll remove it and you can check for more companies. Bangalore Havels. Okay, let me check. So as you know that job seeking is very time consuming. You have to plan it, or you have to make a strategy. So for this also you have to give some time. Like first you have to find the email ID, then you have to visit this company, what they do, then you have to generate a cold email. So these are email IDs of like where multiple HRs can be handling, but there are some like single HR email IDs, like they are personal to them only. These are careers, so they may be handled by many people. So try to send them instead of sending a single, like these are single personal email IDs, like people handling they only having the access to it. So if they will get many emails, they will avoid it. So try to send them common email IDs, like the careers, the info. So this one is also working, that IBM one. Okay, like this we have a lot of email IDs, and I am just sharing it for job inquiry purpose. I do not support spamming or any unethical use. Okay, so if you have any doubt, or if you have any concern regarding this, do reach me out. I will try to help you. Okay, if any of the person tries to ask you from where you get their email ID, just send them you get from internet, because I have also curated these resources from the internet, so I don't own it. Okay, yeah. So these are some personal email IDs. Otherwise, okay, so check from middle or in the bottom section, validate it, and then generate a good compelling cold email. Here I have attached a ATS-Friendly resume template, cover letter, and
And then
info. Okay, you will get the link in the description. Okay, so if you need any more resources, do comment on the video. I will try to curate it as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates like this. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.